let me show you how to restore a deleted Google Drive file. Now, as we all know, once the Google Drive files have been deleted from the main folders, it will land up on the bin section or the trash section, where you can easily recover any of the files by just clicking on the recover option. But now let's say if you have deleted them from the bin section as well, and now you're trying to recover them, then what you can do in this case is try to get the bot help or the Google Drive bot help by heading over to the Google Drive Help Center. Once you're inside of this website, you need to head over to delete files in Google Drive. And right here, you'll have the option called learn how to recover a deleted file. As you can see, it says right here, recover permanently deleted files with our robot. But before you do that, make sure you know that this is not a permanent solution. And even if you follow the steps, your file may not be recovered. So you can now use these exact steps that is visible on the screen by clicking on the request file recovery. You will need to sign into your Google account again. And once you submitted the request, you need to check your email for any sort of confirmation and updates on if any of the files are recovered. As I said previously, this is not a permanent solution, and you might or might not be able to recover some of the files that have been deleted permanently. So I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.